Hello everyone, so today I just finished one shoot and let's get started. I'm gonna just do some quick edits after the import. So I imported the Canon 50mm F1.2 RF lens and from the EOS R. So the first thing, I'm gonna reduce some vignetting. I'm gonna do a sync and then enable profile correction. You can see that it enabled the profile correction. I'm gonna slightly reduce the vignetting for all those, maybe 30, and distortion reduce a little bit. So just state it like that, and then I'm gonna check out the sharpness. Okay, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna add some shadow in front. It might be too bright, so I'm gonna do 19. Just some slight shadow in front, and then some new one. Okay, so just some slightly on the top right there, and after that I'm gonna do an increase of the contrast, highlight safe, even the exposure. And for the adjustment, I'm gonna adjust the green a little bit. We can pull out the blue a little bit more on the sky also for this one. So I don't want to pull the shadow too much, so just slightly in here. Okay, so I'm going to do cropping, 4:5 Instagram crop. Do slightly more shadow in this area. Yep, and then let me do a soft skin here. So I'm gonna patch a little bit on that one. So I'm gonna soften a little bit more around the eyes area. Okay, so that's good, and I'm gonna copy these two. And then paste it. And I'm gonna export this one out. So let me check the other one. So this one has a different tone, and we can focus on the warm tone in this one. So for the warm tone, we can, let me do the profile first. And on the split tone, we can try the warm tone on the highlight and even the shadow, but the shadow might be too strong. So kind of like that, because it's a summer golden style. So we will crop the area. And I'm gonna do a quick.
Tell me what you have to go and drive me so crazy. Now feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me what you have to go and drive me so crazy.
And let me check the portraiture 3. So before that, I'm gonna do an increase the highlight safe, increase the exposure a little bit. Okay, so let me try the portraiture 3. So I'm gonna select this one and then choose the skin tone. Export it out. So next one I'm gonna do is the other the white dress. So this is a nice style. I'm gonna update this. Just soften the skin a little bit in the front. After that, I'm going to brush the softness also. So overall the lighting is good. I'm going to maintain the same lighting but reduce the highlight safe. For the yellow, I'm going to reduce the green. Slightly adjust the hui also, so you can check this one based on the feed that you like. Okay, I think this is good, and then I'm going to do a 4x5 crop on this one. I'm going to do a quick shadow update in here also, so just slightly a little bit, and then I'm going to do a portraiture 3 for this one. And keep in mind that this is the RF 50mm F1.2 L lens, so I like this lens. It's versatile, multi-purpose, except when you're sitting in the coffee shop across the table. It's too tight for the coffee shop across the table, but all the other things are pretty good for this one, so I like this lens. So export. I'm not upgrading to the R5 because it's, I want to save some money. So I'm using the EOS R. It's pretty good. So I will keep using it until probably the next upgrade. I might do a rental just to rent it out. So let me reduce the highlight save for this one, increase the shadow. So the lighting is pretty good, and I like the overall lighting in this. Just do a and the shadow in the front, just add a little bit shadow. You don't have to add too much in here. And let me check the yellow. Okay, so that's good. And then do a Lightroom Portraiture 3. So once it's finished, and then I can do a export, the same name. And let me edit one with different flowers. I can choose one with low lighting like this. So I'm gonna increase the exposure a little bit. I might do a, let me check the profile and keep the vignetting down a little bit, and then do a portrait 4:5 crop. So slightly crop, leave some headroom on top. Use this thumbnail as the guidance, and then I can pull up a little bit more headroom. Slightly smooth out a little bit more. We change the soft skin. Just some minor adjustment in here. Okay, so and then we can do adjust this a little bit. Okay, so that's good, and then reduce the highlight. I'm gonna do a portraiture 3 for this one. Okay, so because of time after this, I'm gonna export it out. We already added, I think, 4 or 5 pictures. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more editing and BTS video coming up. Bye.